Okay, geometry. I've got a new headset, so I'm checking it out today. So for the Unit 5 formative, it's asking for this first problem. Say a triangle has one side that's 12 inches long and the other side that's 17. So we know the possible lengths for the third side are going to be 12 plus 17 and 17 minus 12. Right? So that's going to be between 5 and 29. Number 2, I just realized I have not taught you this, and that is perfectly fine. So I'm going to teach it to you right now. This side is the shortest side. The smallest angle is across from the shortest side. So the smallest angle is angle A. The second smallest angle is across from the second smallest side, which is 3.1. So that's angle C and then angle B. So square root of 12, how do we simplify that? I'm going to break up that 12. Instead of 6 times 2, I'm going to break it up into 4 times 3 because 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2. So this is equal to 2 root 3. And the last one needs to be, the denominator needs to be rationalized. So we're going to multiply by a special 1, square root of 5 over square root of 5. Because what happens now is my denominator is going to be a 5, because root 5 times root 5 is 5, right? That equals 5. And my numerator is just 4 root 5. So the answer is 4 root 5 over 5. And where is that? Right here. And that is all. Peace out.